Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Maya! I've been trying to establish a good daily routine lately. You know, something to make my day more productive. Do you have a routine?
Absolutely, Chris. A daily routine can be a game changer. I usually start my day with a cup of coffee and some light reading to wake up my brain. How about you?
Coffee, the universal wake-up call. I'm more of a morning person, so I hit the gym first thing. Then, it's breakfast time, a hearty one to fuel my day.
Haha, a morning workout warrior. That's impressive. After my reading, I like to meditate for a bit. It's like a mental reset button for me.
Meditation, the Zen approach. I should try that sometime. So, after breakfast, what's your plan?
Well, Chris, work starts for me. I tackle the toughest tasks in the morning when I'm fresh. It's like eating the broccoli first so you can enjoy the rest of the meal.
Haha, broccoli tasks. I like that analogy. I tend to save the tough stuff for the afternoon. Mornings are when I brainstorm creative ideas. It's like my brain is supercharged.
That's interesting, Chris. A morning brainstormer. So, do you have any daily rituals or habits that keep you on track?
Oh, definitely. I use a to-do list religiously. It's like my roadmap for the day. And I make sure to take short breaks to stay productive. Can't burn out, right?
True, you don't want to become a work robot. Breaks are essential. For me, it's like a mini dance party between tasks. Shake off the stress, you know?
Haha, a dance break. That's a fun way to recharge. So, when the workday is done, how do you wind down?
Well, Chris, I like to unwind with some yoga. It's like saying goodbye to the day's tension. Then it's dinner, maybe a movie or a good book.
Olga, the bedtime ritual. That sounds calming. For me, it's a quick evening jog. And then I dive into my hobbies. Painting and gaming are my escapes.
Hobbies, the perfect way to end the day. And, Chris, do you have any tricks to ensure a good night's sleep?
I do, Maya. No caffeine after 6 p.m., and I try to disconnect from screens at least an hour before bedtime. It's like tucking my brain in.
Haha, tucking your brain in. I like that. Well, it sounds like you've got a pretty well-oiled routine, Chris.
Thanks, Maya. But I'm always open to improving it. Daily routines are like evolving scripts. You keep tweaking for the perfect story.
Absolutely, Chris. So, to all our English learners out there, remember, creating a good daily routine is like building a strong foundation for success.
Part 2. Maya, continuing our conversation about daily routines, have you ever tried adding new habits to yours?
Definitely, Chris. It's like decorating your routine with new colors. Recently, I started learning a new language during my lunch break.
Learning a new language? That's impressive, Maya. It's like adding a whole new dimension to your day. For me, it's setting specific goals. It's like creating mini challenges.
Mini challenges, I like that. Setting goals can be like plotting treasures on your map. It gives you a clear direction. So, what about evenings, Chris?
Evenings are my time for relaxation, Maya. I unwind with some soothing music, like a gentle lullaby for my mind. How about you?
Sounds calming, Chris. I usually spend time with family and friends. It's like connecting with the people who matter most. So important, right?
Absolutely, Maya. It's like recharging your social batteries. And speaking of recharging, do you have any tech detox strategies?
Oh, definitely, Chris. It's like a digital detox spa day for me. I put my phone on silent, maybe even switch it off for a few hours.
Haha, a spa day for your phone. That's a great way to unwind from screens. I'm trying to limit social media scrolling. It's like cutting down on junk food for the brain.
Junk food for the brain, that's a spot-on analogy, Chris. So, do you think daily routines can evolve over time?
Absolutely, Maya. They're like living organisms. They adapt to your changing needs and goals. Flexibility is key.
Flexibility, I couldn't agree more, Chris. Well, to all our English learners, remember, daily routines are like personal symphonies. You're the composer, make it harmonious.
Well said, Maya. May your daily symphony be a masterpiece, filled with melodies of productivity and harmony.